Nigeria rapper Oladips is dead. Hello everyone, welcome to Sumikran TV. We've come again to give you another entertainment news. Please kindly click on subscribe, give this video a thumbs up like, go to the comment section and contribute. A Nigerian pop star Oladipo Olabode Adedimeji, more popular as Oladips, has died. According to a statement posted on his Instagram page, he passed away at exactly 10:14 p.m. on Tuesday night. In the late hours of yesterday, videos made the rounds on social media of the Adekola Lateef seeming to have collapsed as his friends surrounded him. Before the video started to circulate, Oladips has taken to his Instagram story to cry for help. In the post, he mentioned one of his friends had only one lifetime and asked where he was. The rapper complained about how he has tried to reach the friend on the phone several times and how they knew he did not like to be left alone in the house, especially with his condition. The statement noted that Oladips had kept his battle within himself for over 2 years. Oladips' body is now with his family and funeral plans will be announced shortly. Thank you for listening to us. Please don't forget to click on subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, like, go to the comment section to contribute. Thank you.